In this video, I will go through Work Together Problem 16-5 from our Century 21 Accounting textbook by Gilbertson, Lehman, and Gentene. So, edition 10E. All credit given to them for the creation of this book and this specific problem. So we'll start with preparing a post-closing trial balance. Our book states that a Plumbing Central's December 31st account balances for the current year are shown below. The balances include the adjusting and closing entries. Your instructor, that's me, will guide you through the following example. So this is not a continuation of the other Work Together problems from this chapter. Just so you know, this one is a standalone. So don't get confused and try to get the balances from 16.1 through 16.4. Because this one is for a new company. It's for Plumbing Central. So we'll go ahead and put that title. And this is a post-closing trial balance. And it is on the date of December 31st of current year. And we will center align that heading. So the first account we have is, we'll just go ahead and enter all of these names. Cash, petty cash, accounts receivable, allowance for uncollectible accounts, merchandise inventory, supplies-store, prepaid insurance, accounts payable. All right, now we're on to liabilities, sales tax payable, capital stock, and retained earnings. We know that cash, petty cash, accounts receivable, those are all assets, so they should have debit balances. So we'll put them on the debit side. 12,810, 20, 350, 18, 398, 80. These are straight from the problem. Now, allowance for uncollectible accounts, that is a contra asset, so it's going to be over here on the credit side. Merchandise inventory, again, an asset, 140, 980. Supply store, 2268. Prepaid insurance, 1980. Now we're on to the payables, which tells me it's a liability, credit balance, 11,676.50. Sales tax payable, 1584. And now capital stock is 50,000. And retained earnings, 326.50. So now we just want to write totals here. And we will underline here to signify that we'll be adding. And I would just do an equal sum formula and add everything up and just drag that formula over. So I've added both of these. If you look in your formula bar, you can see the ones that you've added. And because we came up with the same number, $176,787 even, they add up. Our debits equal our credits. We're finished. That is the end of a post-closing trial balance. And that is just to ensure that, the accounts that are left that have balances, that assets still equal liabilities plus owner's equity. If they didn't, you would need to go back and figure out your mistakes. So we will attempt a double underline, which probably will not work. Nope. But we know that they balance. So that's it for Work Together 16.5 post-closing trial balance.